rubbish. You're just saying it with so much confidence. So Igweze TV, Spirit Almighty, what is this other name? Igweze TV, Spirit Almighty, Deputy Jesus. I checked. The funny thing about it is that they have those surnames. That is the one that even driving me crazy. Is that their surnames are Edos. They have Edo surnames, you know, and they are the ones on social media talking nonsense with so much confidence. So next time when they tell you that Eze Chima came from Arochuku, let them understand that the Arochuku that they are talking about is Ibibio. So that means there's no possible way. At the time Eze Chima's migration history happened, he would have been an Ibibio man, not an Igbo man. Right? Because around that 14th, 15th century, Igbo people had not come to Arochuku. They were not there. Right? So he would have definitely, most definitely, been an Igbo man. And sorry, an Ibibio man, not an Igbo man. So that is it.
You all have heard what that boy from Ibibio said. He said that Ezechime, the founder of Onitsha in Anambra State, the founder of Onichubo, Iseluku, Ibibio, and so many other Ezechime clans in Anioma, he said that Ezechime is not an Igbo man, but an Ibibio man. He said that in the 15th century, that Ibibio people are the ones occupying the present location that Arochuku people are occupying today. And since Ezechime migrated from Arochuku during that 15th century, that Ezechime is an Ibibio man, not an Igbo man. My question is, how come Ezechime is not bearing an Ibibio name? Ibibio people that they bear Ezechime. In the past, Arochuku people had an issue with Ibibio people, and they chased Ibibio people out from that location and occupied that place. Arochuku people are not Ibibio people. Ezechime is not an Ibibio man. He said that my surname, the surname of Ibwezwe and that of Deputy Jesus are Bini names. My surname Osai is not a Bini name. Bini people don't bear Osai. Osai in Ukwuani land is a deity. When we are making declaration in Ukwuani land, we call on the name Osai. Osai Nedumo. No Bini person bears Osai. There is no name in Bini language called Osai. What is the surname of Ibwezwe? The surname of Ibwezwe is Onyenwe Mado. And his name is Kainebi. Is Onyenwe Mado a Bini name? No! The surname of Deputy Jesus is Kogolo. The grandfather of Deputy Jesus has a nickname. And that nickname is Pogolime. Emakwasa Semaro, Ine Pogolo, Jisike. So, that Pogolime was later addressed as Kogolo. So, now that Kogolo, the children can't they bear reach today. In Ibuzo, we say Pogolibe. That song by Flavor called Golibe. Golibe is the same thing as Pogolibe. Golibe means enjoy yourself. Pogolibe means enjoy yourself. If you enjoy yourself, person go just a part of say Ine Kogolo, Ine Pogolo, Pogolindo. That is that name, Kogolo, that Deputy Jesus is bearing today. If you go on Ijubo, where Deputy Jesus came from, they will tell you the same story that I just told you. So, how is Kogolo now a Bini name? This Ibibio boy, they drink kai kai. You know, as he slim finish, if you pour water for his neck, water go hook for there. This boy, they suffer. In the past, he was saying good things about Igbo people. And so many Igbo people followed him on TikTok. As he get issue with Ndibo, he turned around and started fighting Ndibo. This is why I'm telling our Igbo brothers to stay clear from the pages of non-Igbo people that are saying sweet things about Ndibo. They are only saying those things for followership. Stop following these people on social media. When they have issue with Igbo, they will turn around and start fighting Igbo. Just imagine Eze Chime. Now this boy thought say Eze Chime na Ibibio man. He says Eze Chime and Ibibio name. No. Why they not go they claim Eze Chime where he be say so many of Eze Chime descendants not know where they come from. Those communities where Eze Chime found for Anioma, if you go those communities, they ask their obi, who be Eze Chime? They will start to tell you, Eze Chime, but one about Bini, no about Bini, but Eze Chime. Eze Chime na Yoruba person, Eze Chime na this, Eze Chime na that. People that don't know where their father came from. The name of their father, Eze Chime, is supposed to tell them that Eze Chime is an Igbo man. They lack that understanding to know that Eze Chime left Bini to their present location does not mean that Eze Chime is a Bini man. They all knew what chased Eze Chime out from Idu land. Oba of Bini was looking for Eze Chime to kill him. Eze Chime can't come up for that place, come their present location. That one supposed to tell these people, say, this our ancestor Eze Chime is not a Bini man. Eze Chime is not a Bini name. Eze Chime was only a chief in the palace of the Oba of Bini. Now Oba of Bini friend. Oba of Bini made him the Iyase in Bini kingdom. According to the late Esobam of Bini, Chief Edebiri, he said that the Oba of Bini made Eze Chime the Iyase of Bini kingdom. Chief Edebiri said that Eze Chime is an Igbo man and not a Bini man. The video is there on the internet. He said Eze Chime is never a Bini man. That he's just a friend to the Oba of Bini then. And yeah, this idiot they talk say Eze Chime na Ibibio man just to cause confusion. But he will fail. The Igbo Unification Movement is here to defend Igbo nation. So anybody where they talk nonsense, just they wasting time. So many Obi for this Anioma line will be descendant of Eze Chime. They don't know where their papa Eze Chime from come. It's so shameful. Say the name of your papa will be Igbo name. You dey talk say that name na Bini people name. When myself and Deputy Jesus were going to Abo for the New Year festival of Ezechime, we met a woman in the bus going to Abo, and that woman is from Iseluku. We started talking about Igbo identity. The woman was saying that Iseluku people are Igbo people, that they are one people with the southeast, Iseluku, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ika, Ukwuani, we are one people. The southeast people are our brothers. We all are Igbo people. And I asked the woman, who is Ezechime? Where is Ezechime from? She said that Ezechime is from Bini. And I asked her, is Ezechime a Bini man? She said yes. And I asked her, is that name Ezechime a Bini name? She said yes. This is where these elders are having problem. How can you say that Ezechime is a Bini name? Are Bini people bearing Ezechime? No. Let Chief Edebiri, the Esobam of Bini, they talk say Ezechime not be Bini person. But those our elders from Ezechime communities that don't know their history will come online and tell you that Ezechime is a Bini prince. Now that place, another woman take it I'm wrong. Bini people are saying that the name is not Ezechime, that is Ezechime. After some time, Bini people said that the name is Ohime. That it was Igbo people that changed it to Ezechime. Bini people are expansionists. They are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Bini people are Yoruba people. That's why they bear Yoruba names. The deities in Bini kingdom are all Yoruba deities. Deities like Olokun, Yemoja, Ogun, Sango, Orumila, Eshu. All these deities came from Ile-Ife with Bini people. Now Bini people carry all these deities from their ancestral home Ile-Ife. Come invade that Idu land and took over the throne from the Ogiame. Ogiame people are still going to court today for the court to grant them the right to govern themselves and not to recognize the Ogiame as a chief but a king. The Ogiame are descendants of the Ogiso dynasty, but the Oba of Bini is a descendant of Oduduwa from Ile-Ife. Oba of Bini na Yoruba man. Bini people are now rewriting their history, lying to themselves that Oduduwa is a Bini prince. Everyone that knows history knows that Bini history is filled with lies. So how you think say Bini people that are expansionists will not lie about Ezechime? An expansionist is ready to do everything possible to twist your history, to expand into your territory. In Ika land, some Ika people call Chi as Ki. That's why if you hear the song by Iron Lady, where she sang about Ndi Ochichi, she was pronouncing it as Ndi Okiki. Ndi Okiki. Saying that leaders are our problem, that leaders are not leading us well. What she was saying in that song is Ndi Okiki. So, if Ika people pronounce them as Ezechime, it's the same thing as Ezechime. Ezechime is not a Bini name. That is how some Ika communities pronounce the name. But for Bini people to they come out, they lie, they talk, say Ezechime na Bini man. It's all lies. Their own Esobam is saying that Ezechime not be Bini person. But the Gen Z Bini children of today are busy online, backing like pitbull. Ezechime na Bini man, they lie to themselves. If an elder from Ezechime communities can come out and say that Ezechime is a Bini man, what do you want to make their upcoming children they talk? Bini people they claim Ezechime. This mumu now they claim say Ezechime na from Ibibio. Why they not go claim una why they say una not know where una belong? When we say that Ezechime is an Igbo man, that Ezechime communities are all Igbo communities. You go see the ones who don't get sense among them go come and like say Ezechime not be Igbo. We Ezechime said that we not be Igbo people. Make Southeast people then their own. Make we done our own. When you deny what you are, people will claim you. As Ukwuani people there now. Now so Bini people they talk say na then get Ukwuani you. Igala they talk say na then get Ukwuani you. Everybody come they claim Ukwuani because Ukwuani not get stand talk say we and Igbo people are one people. This is where we belong. As una not do like that, why they not go come claim una? It's so shameful that you are speaking Igbo language, yet you don't know where you belong. It's so shameful. Now so Bini people they claim say na they get the entire Ika land, na they get Ukwuani land, na they get Oshime and Anacha land, na they get Onitsha Anambra state, na they get Enugu Ezike, na they get the entire Yoruba land, na they get the entire South, na they get the entire Niger Delta. And that's because people where they live for all these regions, so many of them don't know themselves. Know where you belong and coexist with your kind. If you bring the Southeast and Urobo, I go choose Southeast because now my people they be. Bring the Soko, I go choose Southeast because now my people they be. Bring the Jaw, I go choose Southeast because now my people they be. Bring the Shakiri, I go choose Southeast because now my people they be. Bring Calabar, I go choose Southeast because now my people they be. No be say those people are not choosing my enemies, but I choose to be with my kind. I choose to be with people I speak the same language with. I choose to be with people that I understand them, they understand me. I choose to be with people that in all ramification of life, I am the same with them. If we are Anioma people, they do say, we not be Igbo people, we make we not join the Southeast, make we done our own. If we not get Anioma state now, we go get them in the future. We go get Anioma state, keep them for South. So, you dey feel say in the future, if they want create state, give South people, say na only Anioma state go come out to be a state. By that time, you go to see more than these 7 states where don't come out from South, say they won't get their own states. Urobo define states. Ogoja define states. Esan define states. Bini define states. Isekiri define states. All those people define states. You can't want to make them leave Anioma to be created as the 7th South state. It's not possible. This is why it's expected of we Anioma people to support Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that Anioma state is being actualized as zone to the Southeast because that is the only option that we have. That is the only solution. Make we coexist with our kind. These are the people going online saying that Anioma people are not Igbo people. Saying that Anioma people are a people of different origin. Just show me one tribe for Nigeria who not get different origins. Trace to people that are not related with them. Now Igala I won't mention. For the whole Nigeria, Igala is the only tribe that have more than 10 origins. Trace to different people. They trace their origin to Yoruba, Bini, Igbo, Hausa, Jukun, Ijo, Kanuri, Nupe, and so on. These are the people that make up that tribe called Igala that you see today. How many Igala people they see, they talk, say they not be Igala people, say they be Jukun people, they not be Igala people, say they be Bini people, they not be Igala people, say they be Yoruba people. Bini is another tribe that have so many origins. Some of them are from Yoruba, some of them are from Esan, some of them are from Igurumiguru, some of them are from Urobo Isoko, some of them are from Ijo, some of them are from Igbo, some of them are from Igala. Name it. These people are the ones that formed Bini Kingdom. Anioma people know where you belong. Make people not they claim on up and down. Now we are looking for Anioma state, and we must actualize that Anioma state. We are calling on all Anioma sons and daughters to support Senator Nedumoko. Let's actualize this Anioma state and zone it to the southeast. Think about the benefit of Anioma state being zoned to the southeast. We Ukwuani people, we want Anioma state. Most of these people you are seeing online saying that they don't want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. Some of them are Gen Z. Some of them are from Bini, where they use social media handle bearing Igbo name, claiming to come from Anioma just to cause confusion, just to fight the creation and zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. So many Gen Z where they see today, they don't get sense. Small pikin go come and they talk say Ukwuani people not be Igbo people, but na Igbo language Ukwuani they speak. If to say Ukwuani not be Igbo, how we can't they speak Igbo language? Did Igbo colonize us? No. Our ancestors bear Igbo names, our culture, tradition, way of life, deities, everything is Igbo. And you go see one small boy from Ukwuani will talk say Ukwuani is not Igbo. You know go they take the word of that small boy serious. He's just a child. Elder way be say him own community migrate from southeast. Migrate from Arochuku, Aguleri, you don't say you not be Igbo person. We will keep educating our people. We will never get tired. Igbo unification movement is just starting. Anioma state is a goal, and we must do everything possible and make sure we actualize Anioma state and zone it to the southeast. All those Ile Binu people claiming that Ezechime is a Bini man, una go claim tire. These idiots from Ibibio claiming that Ezechime is an Ibibio man, he go claim tire. Ezechime communities are where they are, and no one can come and take it away from us. Anioma state is a goal, and Anioma state is going to be actualized and zoned to the southeast, and there is nothing anyone can do about it. Ishiagware.